James from Carrollton has a question about a bad repair.
Well, it was 9 years ago on his post-tension slab. James writes, the company, not Due West, I just want to tell you, put in 72 piers using tunnels, and then they put a gravity drain in since they didn't backfill so that the tunnels wouldn't fill up. Well, a year ago, I started smelling mildew, he writes, and I found drywall damage adjacent to the bathroom. A plumber found a leak, but I wanted to wait to do repairs until it dried out. It was a shower he didn't use much. So 4 months later, after not using it, he demos the shower. He writes, I found a P-trap below with moist air coming up from underneath. And when I look down in there, it's all full of water. Well, he called the foundation company. And they said, well, the foundation has a lifetime warranty. This problem doesn't. So he's on his own. So Tom, James wants your advice on correcting this problem. What would you do?
I'm not sure how to correct it yet because it's such an extensive problem.
Yeah.
We're talking 17 piers. We've got this huge slab. We've got voids all underneath
and
there.
And the potential for mold and termites?
Yeah, everything. So it's time for you to get some other people out to take a look at it because this is going to be more than just say, oh, turn it to the right once and it's good. But when you do tunneling, if you don't backfill it right, you can get some really bad problems. And I've talked to the people at Due West who actually invented the tunneling method. Elmer did down in Corpus Christi back in the 80s. They use a special fill to go back in so it doesn't slough down.
It's a secret sauce.
Yeah, it's a bentonite mixture is what it is. So it's just... He tells everybody that.
Okay.
What? Are you all right?
No, man. Just so that don't tell Tom a secret.
He told me this 30 years ago. Anyway, goodness. But I think it's time to get an engineer or another foundation repair company or somebody out to take a look at this. This guy's in a pickle, though. Yeah, well, he's in a real pickle.
And he's going to have a hard time getting a foundation company out because it's warranted by these other weasels
That's right.
did the job originally.
So luckily, the foundation hopefully is in still good shape, but now we got to get someone out there. And I would call Due West because they are the experts. Maybe they can go in and fix this botched tunneling backfill.
It's not going to be a cheap fix, though.
No. If they'll even touch it, I don't know. But, I mean, they're experts at the tunneling. And if the tunnels are just sloughing down, water's going in there.
What about an irrigator?
Well, that could be, but this sounds a little more extensive because it's in underneath the slab. And irrigators aren't going to go down into that part
any more than Tom will.
Yeah, I don't want to go. I went down the tunnel once, and that was before that mixture secret sauce went in. It freaked
Clearly, because
me
you're here.
Out.
Right. And you were there with questions, and we love to answer them and appreciate you sending them to us. Use that Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like that one, without any secrets, though. And we'll post it like these videos over here.
Much of a secret.
No, it was.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
They're just better at what they do.